Come test drive the 2017 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, navigation system, heated front seats, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. Come see the car for yourself.